Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model S and Model 3. Let's dive into their core differences right away. The Model S is Tesla's flagship luxury sedan, known for its spaciousness and premium feel. In contrast, the Model 3 is a more compact and accessible electric vehicle, designed for a broader market. While they cater to different preferences, both models deliver the exhilarating electric performance and advanced technology that Tesla is known for, making them compelling choices in the EV landscape. When it comes to performance, both the Model S and Model 3 offer thrilling acceleration. The Model S, especially in its higher trims, can achieve incredible top speeds and rapid 0 to 60 times, with some variants reaching 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. The Model 3 also boasts impressive acceleration, with some versions hitting 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. As for range, the Model S can offer up to 410 miles on a single charge, while the Model 3 can achieve up to 363 miles, depending on the configuration. Stepping inside, the Model S offers a more luxurious and spacious cabin with a larger, horizontal 17.4-inch touchscreen and a dedicated driver display. It also features a more reclined rear seating position and a folding center console with cup holders and a wireless charger for rear passengers. The Model 3, on the other hand, embraces a minimalist design, with most controls integrated into a single 15.4-inch center-mounted touchscreen. Both vehicles come equipped with advanced technology, including autopilot, over-the-air updates, and comprehensive safety features. Considering price and value, the Model 3 is generally the more affordable option, with starting prices significantly lower than the Model S. For example, the Model 3 standard rear-wheel drive starts around $38,630, while the Model S can start at approximately $81,630. The Model S justifies its higher cost with greater luxury, more interior space, and often superior performance. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a more accessible entry point into Tesla ownership or a premium, high-performance luxury experience. And speaking of smart choices, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.